you Dragon fans out there. Just thought I'd take a little bit of time to do a bit of technical analysis on Dragon. So we'll be looking at it versus BTC and versus US dollar calculated by TradingView. So coming straight into this, we can see that it's consolidated here for some time since April 9th. So you can see on a line chart, it's just been going sideways. If we go to zoom out, you can see, I'll change that to a weekly. So my internal indicators are all showing, apart from histogram, all showing bullish divergence firing on the weekly charts. So we have come down to this point here, which is still holding support here from these candle wicks or tails, whatever you like to call them. We are currently overall, let's have a look. We zoom all the way up. This is the potential growth that we have. So, you know, if we do just like a price from current price till this candle body heights, it's like 9,000%. I mean, just to think about that is pretty crazy, but yeah, so you can see all the potential growth up in here. You know, could we get ourselves, you know, maybe 100% trade out of this? I'm pretty sure you can. So just looking at this section here on the daily, if we can do a price, let's just say from current price, I mean, generally I'm looking to take profit on a short-term basis in around between the 786 and the 618 in this red zone. So if I can get off 100% and get myself a free position on this trade, that's what I'm looking for, and I'll let the rest ride. So what else I'm looking at is right here, which we call the POC, point of control. So basically, whatever price you see on screen here, the point of control, this is where Dragon has mostly traded at. So that's another good signal. What else can we justify this trade? So we've got bullish divergence in histogram on the daily. We've got bullish divergence here in the Williams percentage R. RSI was oversold. That's slowly starting to creep up. This is looking good too, where we've had OBV volume break above. So that's another bullish sign. So short term, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back up into this red zone here. Very long term, it's, you know, we can, well, what I'm expecting anyway for myself and what I'm going to trade is something long term on the lines of something like this. So say we make it up into this zone up here, where you can see the POC is right here, which is basically like a magnet. So if we can break up into value, I'm sure that we can hit this POC, which means roughly, so let's say to the 618 fib is 475%, which is pretty reasonable. I like that idea. You can see volume is starting to ramp up into this section here. So I'm pretty sure people have been accumulating here. We're starting another little accumulation here. I don't give time frames of when I think this is going to punt. That's for the market to sort out. But that's basically my short-term setup. So let's move over to the dollar versus the dollar. So you can see that kind of mimicked what we just did, but it's been in a trading range for some time. Internals on this are looking really, really good as well. These little green lines, when you see them, that little green line there, the little green lines in RSI, That's a script that I've got that basically spits out when there is a bullish divergence or a bearish divergence in red. But I'm seeing a lot of green here, so I'm pretty happy with that. So that's a short little analysis for you guys. Anyway, so I'll be probably looking to buy a little bit more in this range here if we do decide to come down a little bit. But yeah, don't forget, guys, to plan your trade and trade your plan. Meaning, I hope you guys have your trading plan in place. My risk will probably be a few sats to these lows. So any whales out there, please don't hit my stops. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my analysis. I will catch you guys next time.